Yahoo Mail Voice Assistant, a Windows-based voice-controlled assistant that integrates with Yahoo Mail, provides news updates, and performs various tasks through voice commands. Microphone voice control, hands-free operation using speech recognition. Email Yahoo Mail integration, read emails from your Yahoo inbox, check unread email count, send emails via Yahoo SMTP. Newspaper news updates, get latest headlines in various categories. Bar chart, daily briefing, comprehensive summary of emails and news. Speaking head, text to speech, natural voice responses. Globe with Meridian's web search, quick Google searches via voice. Python 3.7 or higher. Windows operating system. Microphone for voice input. Yahoo Mail account with app password enabled. Clone the repository git clone https://github.com/chalazani Srinivasulu 2-glitch/yahoo-mail-assistant. Git install required packages. Pip install R requirements. Text setup environment variables. Create a .env file in the project root. Yahoo_email equals your_email at yahoo.com. Yahoo_app_password equals your_16_character_app_password. News_API_key equals your_news_API_key_. Here step 1. Enable two-factor authentication. Go to Yahoo account security. Enable two-factor authentication. Step 2. Generate app password. Navigate to account security. Rightward arrow, generate app password. Select other app and name it, example voice assistant. Copy the 16-character password, paste it in your .env file as Yahoo_app_password. Step 3. Configure IMAP/SMTP access. IMAP is automatically enabled for Yahoo Mail. No additional configuration needed. Starting the assistant. Python Yahoo_mail_assistant 2.py. Check my Yahoo emails. Read my latest emails. How many unread emails? Get technology news, business headlines. Give me my briefing. Search for topic by /exit/quit clipboard. Example interactions. You check my Yahoo emails. Assistant, you have 3 unread emails in Yahoo. You, what's the news? Assistant, here are the latest general news, headlines. You, give me my briefing. Assistant, good morning. Here's your briefing for Monday, November 8, 2025. IMAP_server, imap.mail.yahoo.com, smtp_server, smtp.mail.yahoo.com, adjust speech rate and volume in the __init___ method, self.engine.set property, rate, 150, speed of speech. Self.engine.set property, volume, 0.9, volume, 0.0 to 1.0, authentication failed. Error. Verify your Yahoo email and app password in .env. Ensure two-factor authentication is enabled. Regenerate app password if needed. Microphone not working. Check Windows microphone permissions. Adjust for ambient noise duration. If needed, test microphone with other applications. Speech recognition issues. Speak clearly and at normal pace. Reduce background noise. Check internet connection. Google Speech API requires internet. Pi audio installation issues on Windows. Pip when install Pi audio. Never commit your .env file to version control. Keep your Yahoo app password secure. App passwords are less secure than OAuth 2. Use with caution. Regularly rotate your app passwords. Yahoo_mail_assistant 2.py main assistant script.env. Environment variables, not in Git. Git git ignore file requirements. Text Python dependencies readme.md. This file contributions are welcome. Please feel free to